bad. Some of us, they look on for me though, I swear. Depends on the system and they happy. For their man, all the children they say, no, they touch them.
I got enemies, got a lot of enemies, got a lot of people trying to drain me of my energy, trying to take away from a nigga. Fucking with it.
You know this when they shoot for me. It said to be best comedian. We are over 1,000 comedian day, back to back, every year. Now beans.
You tell me bad man, see I need your love.
Wait, listen to me. If you are not ready, Sonic, if you are not ready for war, leave success.
You tell me bad man, see I need your love.
Any profession that you are as you are sitting here now, because we did so everybody get different profession. We get doctors, Dr. Alpha. Read doctor. Good. I would say not small doctor. Okay. Everybody get different profession. So, see, no joke. We get engineers here. All right? We get interior decor. All right? We get people when they sell bedsheet online. Hello? They're not there. Okay, my people, now go. Oh, life too sweet. Oh, now you dey go commit suicide. Why you dey hurry? When we go soon die? Listen to me. My papa say, who they train pig, no they wear white. You don't understand though? You understand? All right. Now, let's take us to election. All right? You know, comedians will come, they talk about prostitute or shower. It's wrong. You can't abuse a profession that is older than your father. Yes. Auntie, am I speaking your mind? Because I talk, I say, yes. Aso Rock, from Aso Rock, right? Aso time. Oh, Aso time. Oh, see my baby. Ava. You don't get a new boyfriend. You don't know the tale. When we break up, we break up 4 o'clock. Don't get it 5 o'clock. All these guys. They say, you cost it now. Now, let's do a lecture, right? You know, go make sense say, when I just come, just laugh, casino, just talk, don't people just talk. Royal talk. You talk, Kudu. Until they kill one comedian, other comedian who get sense. Murder. This way. Life too sweet, oh. Now, listen. We have prostitutes. We have runs girls. We have ashawo. Record. We have harlot. Now, those on Bible recognize.
Different patterns. I'm a fellow before.
Case they turn on I go fire. Which will be different patterns? But I know say this my DJ too good. That's the most traveled DJ in Nigeria. Please a round of applause for Kingsley.
Butterfly from my belly. You giving me energy.
See the way Dan this is a do you. Danda, you feel like my be? Correct. Now, sir, listen to me. Live to go. This a live to go.
I don't learn lesson. No, they mingle too much with poor people. Poor people we don't get future.
But now, I will explain. Now, I shower, and only about the listen. Now, some people they say, some people don't know the difference between a shower, prostitute, runs girls, harlot, and only about sit down there now. You be case study. Come on. Do you know? I want to buttress it to you guys now. Now, if you never get money for Lagos, you go to carry a shower. Now, a shower no dey stand for road. You dey go meet them for their kiosk. Na kiosk na? Oh, you don't know? Na but I never say anything. You go your laugh tired, they go your house. So they are there till we enter the room. She said, no, wait now. No, we are shorting. I don't know so I get plan. This guy don't understand you. Not be your serious boyfriend be that. So they perform, you know they look here, you know they look here. You like prickle. Jesus. She didn't focus, Abi. See side boy. Side boy. Until they kill one boyfriend, all the rest. Who bring that talk, sir? Okay. Somebody said the you dey perform, you go dey laugh. Oh, Mona laugh, I'm not happy. Listen to me. It takes somebody that is hot to warm somebody. Anyway, you know, say, when you don't make money, guess or dance where you know the dance. So, imagine, Dan go to do like this. You know, say, now some of them I go to say, now I not be the read and go to be that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. London. You take her out for the first date. She do like this.
Since I was born, but now I am getting old. Thank you.
Oh! Now they're too serious. So DJ, wait. Now you go play for that room. Listen, this is like... Don't leave, oh. I know what they talk, oh. God said, I will use the foolish things to shame the wise. Now, we be the comedians, now who foolish? Oh, now when wise, you there, people they cry, you know they happy, you think of problem. Some of them are there, see, the why you know they enjoy because of your family problem. Let me shock you. Some of you believe that without you, your family cannot survive. You do me a favor, please, die. Your family will survive.
Oh yeah, well.
Way. So as you do all this one, find time for yourself. Enjoy your God's plan for us. He said, I commend the enjoyment. Now Bible talk about. I commend the enjoyment of life. He said, eat, drink, and be merry.
Allow me to enjoy myself.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, that Roya. That's my daughter. I see knock out and not feel her. Roya say, Baba, you know they always happy. Check my post. I'm always happy. Because I dey sense stress from far. If I just see say you be stressed, block straight. And the way, you want block whiskey. You say what? Oh, you don't believe now because I not put my shoes in.
Hey, Daddy, you can lie, yo.
Idiot. Auntie, I like the way you laugh now. You're fine, come. Are you okay? This is you wear. Are you comfortable? Neither they call corset now. Because you just like who they choke.
Look at me, baby. All these are
Oh, now all these guys they try yo. You see where they go rap. Now they call ghetto. They go rap. You can let it. You see fine girl. She looks surprised. They don't feed for party. That's how I go carry one many years ago. When I was in the world, hello. Guess they calm down now. You know, say not lie. Many years. Oh, you told me they know say now you are carry mugu. Open up now. We reach house. You get enter restroom. You get come outside. I got the answer. Are you a human? Belle day. When you not be Berlusconi. You should be there. Hey, keep quiet. Keep quiet. How much on a drink when you the price? You buy beer, you say me they give you discount.
my holy ground where me around to.
Sonic, not be you won't get here, not be so much you they pass through here. Jesus. Now so one guy that see, you know say alcohol and money, no they work together. No matter how you hide, if they bring your B, if your eye not clear, hey. Sonic, I go invite you on Thursday for my show for Lekki Phase 1. One guy don't hide for my show, for my own club. Don't hide, they do like this. As I give him a B, they do like this. What? I shock you. That's when they misbehave since. Tell waitress, do you think I'm drunk?
Shoe Peru.
What? What is shock me? See we are in Deo. Stage light there on top of the B. You see, tell the waitress, please, can you throw more light?
Fire, fire.
Yeah. You know, say, may you know how my own to do. All the comedians don't run leave the show for me. I never say anything. Who they here? Who should be 2 days? I'm sorry, they already. When I never really get smarting, Sonic, yeah, this joke now for who get money. You should be, keep quiet. I don't see you before I call Sonic. I'll talk on my own joke. That's around to 4 within.
You are looking down on me.
Neither way, I did not look down on anybody. He that is down, fear no fall. My papa say, who they say salt, no they pray for rain. What do you understand for the proverb now? Idiot. Oh, I don't know. No bad. I almost say your father. Yo, Papa, if they follow up the show, Abi, and they make sense leader. Good. Now, I was explaining Why they behave like this? I was trying to differentiate prostitute. What is wrong with too many things works in this head? Fuck! All right, let's just go to the differences. Cameraman, come. I want you get one angle. If you video bluffing. The idiot say when they get fine, Mugu. What it concern you with the beauty of the artist? Okay. Now, please. Now, hello, sir. Hello, are you with me? All right. I they enjoy this comedy club because I they sound like family. You understand? You know they really know who gets. Because all of them have laughed, they the same frequency. It not be like my show. My show, you no get, you know they have to know. They didn't need toilet. Their work as just stand and say, female. Maybe their work. Get money, oh. Get money, oh. Roya go say, not be motivational, warning. Get money. Now, Ashawo, let's go back to the drawing board. Ashawo that they did for kiosk. Right differences. They did for kiosk. Now, Ashawo quarter 9 be the only place when you they enter, you know they enter with your confidence. You they dodge. For example, leave Caro now. Caro when in serious relationship with Ashawo girl. They hear now. Hello, listen to me. Now, Ashawo quarter, listen to me. I dey talk with pool airport. Remove her. Do you hear me? You know they hear me? Hey! Now because of the money they make you, they go sit down and argue you back. Oh yeah, man, they go. Ah, it no easy. Away are far. Why they laugh? I lie. I'm my guest now. They be agents. 2 kilometers away from city center. Away. You know, say, for example, now Ashawo quarter be this. I don't listen to me. Before I reach this level now, one of the car Ashawo again. No, Ron's girls. And Ron's girls are the kind. You know why I like Ron's girls? Ron's girls said, now your friend, they recommend them for you. Say they get good. I say, I know they carry again. You know, say, if you say you go school, I'm not going to explain this English for you now. Again. Which means I used to. Ah, God. Who will go school? So you see, say, literally now they make up like say we no go school. See this education as scam. Who go school? Call jam who no go school. They are too illiterate. Now they explain to you now. You know they feel bad now, be? Now you know say education. Okay. My friend when they taught education as kind they jail now for which he no do. Police catch her with him. See go. Right statement. You see that near who get murder case when he go school. Call the copy murder case. IPO answer. Is this your case? He said I wrote it.
And no get no license. Yeah.
Anyway, you when we dey comedy show, you pull earpiece. Are you okay? Okay. Oh. This small protest where they do, which they do protest. When they go, people go vandalize people electronic shop. You know, say therefore don't thief earpiece. This country get the way to do. Now let's go back to Ashawo quarter. Okay, listen. No, now be the topic of today. Because the level one not be make what it be name? A dope picky call they tell na intelligent Joe. Person when one fuck now the intelligent. Some of us sit down here now, they say una be innocent guy, una not the woman, and una don't lodge girl. Get the co. I'm 40. You they look me like this.
I want you to know.
See the way, don't know. Yeah, okay, we'll sign up. Oh, casino, you don't go tell them me close. Now, someone after they close with that too. Why you they hurry? Why they hurry? Should never finish. Why they hurry? You want just call Lagos, you no go listen. When I just call Lagos 2008, if I see who I listen to like this, I don't go far past like this. I don't be best in the world. Oh.
I know getting money when I come Lagos.
Did they imagine round of this lecture? My God, they take note. Say Ashawo Quarter now. I don't know who they build Ashawo Quarter. One pole. More than the entrance. Who should be? I don't go tired. As the first Ashawo Quarter. Oh. What did they shock me now? The way they write, as you know, say all Ashawo Quarter name the sweet. Morning Rose. Happy Day. I talk am. You can't keep it. Anybody when they fuck must call one. Jolly friends. Sonic, not talk. They'll say you the good, not talk.
And I say, I am a choosy. I am a choosy.
They hear. For example, Ashawo Quarter, you know why I like Ashawo Quarter? I explain to you. Now you want to enter Ashawo Quarter based on who you be. You know, just enter like that. You waka like who lost key. You know why you don't enter like that? So that your neighbor no catch you. You just go like this. You call your fair pass. You call this front. You call turn. You call they go again. You call sign for the pole. This one I tell so that time handset never come. Oh. If you say handset don't call you, they press phone. Hello. You should be just when the first I want to phone 30 naira, pay 30 naira.
But I am.
This will be made.
Speechless.
Listen to me. That time, Asha will not be all these young girls. So. Asha will not from 35. Okay, say that true. Expect to now. I'm signing out. DJ way. Asha will. Hello. Sit down now. You will understand this part. I talk about people want to collect this work from. Do you know? 35 years, 40 years, then they do Ashawo. That time when you reach there, okay, my first explain to enter first. When you don't near the entrance, now the entrance be this. When you reach here, you got to do like this. You don't enter. Inside another word though, because the light now blue. You know they wouldn't know who you know again. Everybody be like say they wear Chelsea jersey. Oh God. If you do with your wife, not laugh. Oh. Now, okay, I like the way they laugh. That laugh na experience. You can't sit down. One bad thing for Ashawo Quarter, eh? Oh God. I don't know why the Lord is using me tonight. One bad thing for Ashawo Quarter. Who you not supposed to see? Hey, I better give me that your cap first. No, nah, casino, give me that your cap. No worry. No, you know, say, if they do a pass me now, you call this and won't use your glory. You know what about Ashawo Quarter? Give me this share. What tell like Ashawo Quarter? Hello, Sonic room. Good. If you enter Ashawo Quarter, bah, as you enter, who you not supposed to see? See the way that they wear cap. How you take cash? Now those users are shower when be their customer. Go joke collector. Andrew. You just say, Baba. You just see the benefits of who you not supposed to for a shower quarter. As you just cash out. You say, what you drink? They'll just give you 2 bottles. One, you know, feel reporter say you see and there. What you go do there? I shall quarter be like secret quarter. Now that is the entrance. Now let's enter the inside. As you enter inside, nothing as I will start scam. You'll see the day like this. Old women, 35, 40. First time when I go now, I was within 19 or 18, thereabout. Just within. The year now, that time, oh, baby, no go understand. See the way they talk to Ashawo that year. Not be this one now when you go they look for PRO. As you reach there, the Ashawo day in the mouth like this. You can stand near and like, who they want advice. As you just stand. Oh, now they communicate to. As you just stand for her front, she just stand up, enter her room. You just follow her. Now when you enter, when I call the talk, the conversation start like this. Now 40, 40 naira. That year, 40. You call that, for example, now me now, God forbid. Even that time, God still forbid them. You call here, now 30. Yes, God say no. You bring 35. Because say no. That I be mumu. I go say now 40. My now 30. My papa give me. Yeah, you know say, Roya, he shock you, abi? You know say the first I shall. My guy, you know say, nobody dey enter shower water on your own. No, your friend. No, nah. Nobody. All of them want to join court here. You not just go say I want to join court too. Person must carry you. That's how shower water be. Now person must introduce you. So my guy, when he carry me go, oh, then this is listener. This is when they talk so. Your papa see they find your mama to friend though. They hear as you did. Wanna listen. I be must stop this here. Now they hear. You call the first ashawo when I go say what I want to do. That ashawo will be like 36. And I be 19. So when I see her face, I say, Mingo, mommy. Press 114. She even respond, oh, so blind, oh, my man. Now, oh no, things don't change, oh. Now you carry on scale. You go fuck finish before you pay. That time, you dey pay before you fuck. Oga lie.
Oboro shorara, jayo orora,
Even na daru koko. Oniabo. I never see anything. This guy now robo. You understand this song? The way that they react, now you react. Now, that year, oh, things don't change now. You can't pay. That time, they use one painter. Now they keep money. See. Orange color. This is my joke. You must confirm them. I do reality comedy. You dey hear that? Now make I never build though. You cannot know this story and you are still renting house. When people were building house, you were building relationship. Mugu. With Ashawo, 2 life stories. See if Fred is confirm. The yell. Orange Beautiful. You can't put the money here. Wash you. You can't put the money for the painter. As they put her, you can't stand for the front of the girl. Sorry, the lady. Sorry, the woman. You can't stand for her front. Now, yeah, not like for this Ashawo thing. No say runs girl if you carry and come. Some of them carry runs girl come here. Nobody go know they suspect when I say on a day relationship. Until you get debit in the money. I mean, I know better. Now God they use me. Now.
Koko yen akpoja. Koko yen akpoja. Koko yen akpoja. Eyan tane pe kure. Oguri le si pe toto. Le ra ba won ko gede o. Won yan nugu e fura ko. Yo bi egbere ro ma ba. Ayo ni me na wi atete. En do bore ti go. Ni si gbe be boro gede o. Kemu no re wo ko. En bi ko pa ire.
Okay. Thank you. I'm rounding up. Don't worry. Where will they all go? Now here we go dance today. Baba, I'm not go anywhere. I want boy here with you. Yes. The highest, I'll sign the receipt. I'll be popular person. I don't feel wrong.
Now me with the clean on the house. Now me with the wash on the car.
You know my matter now. Mona yell. Now, you can't stand for the only of you. You can't stand for the woman front. Now yeah, not like wash. She'll sit down like this, so no say not be your mate, so you go respect her. Now yeah, not like for a shower matter. You call here. No, that time I not get yours now. That time all I am into is to release. Now here they will call the command. You can't command? You know say they senior you. You call here, oh yeah. Put your clothes. Not be now when you are Rose girl will call the romance now. Who you want romance? Your mama mate. Oba talk by hey. Beautiful. Now, see where I not like oh, they'll come say, oh yeah, put your cloth, wash you. Mumu. You stand for in front of like, who want to do naming? Naming. As you put your as you put your cloth, she go instruct you. Put her for that name. Nay. Hello? What did I say? Yes. You can't put her for the nay. That time I don't know what they do as men. As you put the cloth, you can't come back. So they say, you want fuck with short nika? You can't say, pull your nika. You can't pull her. You want to go put her for that same nay. Because they say, no, that is not too strong. Use this nay. You can't put her here. As you put her, you can't come back with bossa. You call here, you know what, pull bossa. Thank you. Experience. You can't pull bossa. You can't go back. Because say, no, not put her for that one. Not put her for that one. Put her for that jog. You come put that. Now, I'll just explain to you now. You can stand for in front. I not say this thing, eh? You get the way they do. Very educative, oh. Say, swear, idiot. What it make you no beauty? Now, you can stand for the front of the woman. Oh, God. Oh, some of these guests not going to understand this joke. Now, you can stand for the front like this. All this one when they do so, she never put cloth. Oh. She'll cut it like this. You call here. Now this part I'm gonna share my own experience for that. This part now. As I start for the front of the lady like this, the year now she start. Wow, see what is not picking color. I swear to God. Oh, Sonic, no be joke. Oh. They hear that? As I what they tell me. Oh, wow. And you know, say, you get away. This speaker, he like touch. You stand for in front of you, go stand like this. Now this part is sweet me. You can't say pre-gay level. Small pre go do like this. This go dey rise. Ashawo go dey complain. Now wow. See what you go add something. Oh. See what you dey price 30. Now, una will call the I don't want to use fork. Major user. Okay, una call the fornicate. Una go the sex. It's sweet, Abi. Una go the sex. As una the sex. You know what I like Ashawo? They very conscious. Ashawo no dey get belle. No, na runs guess. Ashawo go just as you dey knock pa, he go dey warn you. Because they go boss. Oh, Sonic, did you listen to me now? Ashawo go dey warn you. Say, he won't boss. He go boss. As you dey, I swear. As he won't boss, he dey hold your prick with the condom come out. I tell you now, see I don't boss. All right, thank you. Now you get to the last part of the joke. Now, that is Ashawo. Now, Ron's guest, they quick get feelings. Hello. Ron's guest, you they don't get feelings. You don't carry Ron's guest, call Sonic Runa, just buy a shawarma, he don't see you like relationship. So, as on a rich house, listen, now this joke will favor you. As on a rich house, you go see where you don't say majority. Now women they ask for condom. Am I communicating? Now women they ask for condom. Now women go just say, where's your condom? It is hard. If now 100 men day here, only 2. Now they ask for condom. Only not talk for me, talk for yourself. Only you and Sonic room. Now they ask for condom. You know why they ask for condom? They protect properties. Do you know? If you and Ross get the men on a wicked though. You know say when they knock if condom boss, you they know. The guy if he don't know, but some go just feel and say the taste change. Alpha, I did talk to Abi. And men are useless men. I just back, the condom boss. Immediately boss. 2 things that they call their mind. Oh, die. Any man when you do, call Saturday fast condom boss. He won't release before you know. I know one thing about release. Immediately you release, you realize. You go do back. Make can lie. I tell you, it don't release so. You go just remove him. Pia. You call your hand. You know say don't release inside though. I know say that small release now they breed twins. Oh God, I never say anything. Now the useless man go bedroom He no say release He go call wash. As he wash finish, the girl still lie down. The girl will come answer. Andrew, you do come inside me. Make and lie. Men will be lying. You call here the man. Listen to me. I'm a man of my word. I'm a man of my word. Listen to me. I came out. Yeah, say your pull-out game strong. They hear. The girl go lie down, no more than hear. The girl sit lie down. This is the last part of the joke, and I'll drop this fucking mic. Come on, get out. The guy was just like this. After like 2 minutes. You just say no come inside. Did you just go say, listen to me. I'm an adult. You go say, go and wash up. See what they do unto. Go and wash up. They yell. The girl goes, so my body is doing me yama 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 yama. You know what I like? All those runs get when they tea. You just wash. You see the way you go to stand up. You not come. You sure? You sure? You sure? We all pull leg for the bed. That's the depot. You do like this. Yeah. What it be this? Good night.